As new statements start to roam around, I have decided to unpack the latest statements from two of the most influential figures in the crypto space. Matt Hougan, Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise Asset Management.
Great, so tell me, what investor outcome or problem are we talking about today?
Bitwise is focused on providing high-quality exposure to the crypto market through ETFs, private funds, and SMAs.
And Jan van Eck, CEO of VanEck.
The SEC is going to declare our prospectus effective, which means we can start trading tomorrow.
Their insights into Bitcoin are shaking up the financial world, and we're here to break it all down for you. Matt Hougan recently made headlines with his bold prediction that Bitcoin could see significant gains in the coming years. He also highlighted the growing institutional interest in Bitcoin and the increasing adoption of the cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation. Well, CIO Matt Hougan gave a surprising statement in an interview with well-known Bitcoin YouTuber Scott Melker.
That's the big point of differentiation. Both Grayscale and us have been managing money in the crypto market for a number of years, well established. We use institutional custodians.
Predicts that trillions of dollars will soon enter the cryptocurrency market through the spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs.
But if you look out a year, Bitcoin prices rallied substantially after each of the past three halvings, and I think it will do so again. I think you can overthink this.
Even, he explained that massive inflows of Bitcoin ETFs would begin once major Wall Street banks such as Morgan Stanley approved spot Bitcoin ETFs for solicited sale, requiring only one announcement. Well, if we put a giant on reports, so we came to know that Morgan Stanley plans to allow its 15,000 financial advisors to offer Bitcoin ETFs to clients starting August 7th. Well, it is including BlackRock's iShares, Bitcoin Trust, and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, high risk tolerance, and of course speculative investment interests, which indicates the growing acceptance of Bitcoin in mainstream finance. Matt Hougan is a name synonymous with innovation in crypto investing. Hougan, known for his bullish stance on digital assets, has been vocal about Bitcoin's potential to transform the financial system. In his recent statement, Hougan emphasized that Bitcoin isn't just another asset, it's a fundamental rethinking of what money can be. According to Matt Hougan, Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency, it's a decentralized revolution in finance. As traditional financial systems face increasing strain, Bitcoin offers a robust alternative store of value. It's not about replacing gold or fiat currency, it's about creating a new kind of economic foundation that is resilient, transparent, and borderless. Well, his perspective is clear. He sees Bitcoin as a game changer, a new digital gold for the modern era. His belief in Bitcoin's long-term potential has led to innovative products at Bitwise, aiming to make crypto more accessible to everyday investors. However, according to Morgan Stanley's announcement, it could lead to major banks such as Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Bank of America, and Wells Fargo prohibiting their advisors from pitching Bitcoin to clients.
What level it will be reduced to, only to say that that announcement will come in conjunction with its July 14th earnings.
This could result in tens of trillions of dollars flooding into the cryptocurrency space. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. Now, enjoy this amazing video. The headline of Matt's most recent CIO memo to Bitwise clients is, "We are not bullish enough."
I'm probably leaving out 10 or 12 other sort of negative regulatory headlines. So you have this incredible wave of negative regulatory news.
The big takeaway from the 2024 Bitcoin conference. However, he begins by talking about how American lawmakers are becoming more interested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, saying that 2 years ago, nobody would have believed this was conceivable. Let me see you a crazy thing. Look at this statement of Matt. Less than 2 years ago, FTX was collapsing in a historic fraud, as Bitcoin was trading at $117,000, and skeptics were dancing on crypto's grave. Now politicians are openly talking about building a Bitcoin Fort Knox.
Secure storage vaults, purchase program, and other programs to ensure the transparent management of Bitcoin holding of the federal government.
Of course, it's easy to look at Washington's embrace of crypto as shameless opportunism, but I'm not sure that matters. When you say opportunism, I say that's how politics works. politicians are embracing crypto because Americans are embracing crypto. Moreover, Matt also believes Bitcoin's recent developments are bullish, and instead of focusing on downside risks, investors should reevaluate its potential near-term upside. That's why he added more statements. He wrote, "Could we wake up tomorrow and find out that a G20 country has added Bitcoin to its balance sheet, looking to front run all comprehensive crypto legislation get passed more quickly than expected in the US as bipartisan support strengthens? Could Wall Street massively embrace crypto at a scale much larger than most? Expect these ideas would have been the stuff of daydreams a year ago, but after what I witnessed last week, they look more likely than not. If the 2024 Bitcoin conference conveyed anything, it was this. It's time to rethink what's possible for Bitcoin." Now we turn to Jan van Eck, the man at the helm of VanEck.
Any ETF, it depends how is the underlying market trading. So that was the context that I'd like to set today.
A firm that's been exploring the intersection of traditional finance and digital assets for years. VanEck's approach to Bitcoin is slightly more cautious, yet undeniably optimistic. His recent comments highlight a critical point of view. Well, according to Jan van Eck, Bitcoin is a remarkable innovation, but it's still in its early stages. The volatility we've seen is typical of a developing asset class. However, its potential as a hedge against inflation and a store of value in an increasingly uncertain world cannot be ignored. The key is to approach Bitcoin with a long-term mindset, understanding both its opportunities and risks. Jan van Eck is as bullish as if not more bullish than Matt Hougan in a recent interview with Fox Business. The VanEck CEO predicted that Bitcoin could hit a new all-time high of $350,000 as soon as central banks start cutting rates and resume quantitative easing in the coming months, as he gave a statement that eventually the Fed will start easing, and that's great for gold. And Bitcoin is growing up, it would eventually be half the total market cap of gold, so that's $350,000. Basically, Van Eck's statement reflects a measured optimism. He acknowledges Bitcoin's transformative potential while reminding us of the importance of prudent long-term investment strategies. But in the opinion of entrepreneur and innovator, we could also see a Super Bowl scenario where multiple major central banks adopt Bitcoin as a reserve asset. If that happens, VanEck predicts Bitcoin could skyrocket to $2.9 million. This aligns with his firm's recent research report. Well, the report provides a significant $2.9 million base case prediction for Bitcoin by 2050. So what do we take away from these industry giants? Hougan sees Bitcoin as the cornerstone of a new financial order, while Van Eck views it as a promising, albeit volatile asset that deserves a place in a diversified portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, understanding these perspectives can help you navigate the exciting and sometimes turbulent world of Bitcoin. Do you agree with Van Eck's projections for Bitcoin by 2045, especially since they closely resemble Michael Saylor's $3 million price prediction for the cryptocurrency? The report's authors, Matthew Siegel, the head of digital assets, and Patrick Bush, a senior investment analyst, contend that Bitcoin's adoption as a global medium of exchange and a reserve asset would revolutionize the entire global system and drive Bitcoin to insane new highs. Just tell us in the comment section below. We are curious to know about your thoughts. Well, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So stay tuned, stay curious, and stay inspired. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more latest updates. We will catch you soon. Goodbye for now.